Hi everyone, Christina Blanchard here with the Richer Me Yoga. We're about to practice the camel pose. So get ready. We're going to work our way into it. Join me on the mat for the camel pose. Namaste. Boop, boop, doop, boop. Hey, it's yoga in small spaces too. Here we go. We're going to start out with a little breathing. I always pull up my britches at the start of one of these things, so y'all just bear with me. Bend over forward. Bend over. Yes, we're bending over. We're bending forward. Okay. Take a deep breath. Exhale as you go down, down, baby, down, down the roller coaster. Relax your back. Relax your arms. You're going to need this. Camel pose goes the opposite direction. Okay? So get ready. We're going to forward fold and then rise up. Inhaling as you go. Drop your arms down, then raise them up again. Inhaling as you go with your intention for the day. And bring it down. Yes, bring it down. Exhaling as you go. That's right. Touch the flow if you can. Do. If you can't, that's okay. Touch your legs, your knees, your thighs. Just get down and relax your body, your back. Drop it down, drop it down, drop it down. Now, last one. Raise it up. Hold it there. And bring it down this way to your chest. Prayer pose. Standing prayer pose. Okay. Now let's raise one foot into a nice tree. Hold it. 2, 3, and drop it down. Take 3 deep breaths. Ooh, torch is on right. Come on now, get it straightened out. I'm talking to myself. Okay, there you go. Bring that toe up. Exhale. And you have it. 3, and bring it down to the mat. We're going to forward fold and bring it down into a hero pose. So take it down, lower your knees, into your hero pose. All right, here we go. Now from here, we can do a couple of things. All right, we can do cat-cow, right? We can do a cat-cow. So put your hands on the mat and straighten your legs out. I'm gonna do a little side shift here so you can see my body. And with a cat-cow, of course, you're moving back into a kitty pose. And you can roll those buns around, make it feel that lower back. We're going to be working that lower back in this session, this short flow. Okay, and then move it forward and back into your cat. Good job. Now, from here, you want to rise up, forward into a cow pose, and then we're going to rise up and reach back, touch one, sideways, touch one ankle. Okay, can you touch your ankle like this? Touch your ankle. Your knees should be about hip width apart. All right, touch one ankle and then stretch that other arm up in the air. Oh, doesn't that feel so good and yummy? Hold it. Keep that shoulder up off your ear, okay? You don't want to lay your head down. Your head is sort of at an angle. You should remain straight. Now, bring it back behind. Hop. Hold that other ankle. Deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. exhale. Inhale, exhale. Raise that arm up again. Bring it forward into your cat pose. Right. There you go. Pull that cat. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. All right. You see, I'm sitting here wondering why I'm off the mat, but you know, sometimes it works that way. I think I'll move this over here. Okay. Right. Now let's do the other side. I'm going to move around so you can see. All right, now we're going to do the other side. I think I need my little cushion, because I'm doing sideways. I couldn't turn this, I guess. All right, let me turn this a little. Okay, because I just need you. I want you to see. All right, so here we go. I'm going to stick my buns in your face just for a second, because we're going to do camel pose. So here we are in this camel pose. All right, in this camel pose, we're going to move our way into the camel pose. We're in a cat pose. Here we are. And we're working hips, right? And so rise up, raise one arm, bring it back, touch your ankle, and the other arm goes up in the air. Oh, nice camel stretch. Half camel pose. Hold it there. Deep breaths. Oh, wow. And then bring it back for a nice full camel pose. 2, 3. And rise up the way you came. Bend your bottom down. And you can go back into a nice cat pose. Right. Or you could do a hero. You could go straight into hero. Straight into your hero pose from your cat. All right. Now that was really nice, right? We did several moves and worked our way into the camel pose using the cat-cow, and we started with the tree pose to sort of help us with our balance. And now you can take that foundation into your next lesson. Thank you for joining me. I'm wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste.